7 money mistakes that keep people broke forever. Have you ever wondered why some people work hard for decades, yet never seem to get ahead? It's not always because they earn too little. It's often because they keep making the same money mistakes over and over again. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Today, we're breaking down 7 money mistakes that quietly keep millions of people broke for life, and more importantly, how you can avoid every single one of them. Let's get started. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint, where we make money simple. You don't need a finance degree to build wealth. You just need the right habits and the right decisions. In this video, you'll learn 7 common money mistakes that trap people in an endless cycle of financial stress. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll already be ahead of most people. Let's dive into mistake number 1. 1. Spending everything you earn. Many people believe the solution to financial problems is earning more money. But here's the truth. If your spending grows every time your income grows, you'll never build wealth. This is called lifestyle inflation. Imagine Sarah. She gets a promotion and starts earning an extra $1,000 every month. Instead of saving or investing it, she upgrades her phone, buys a more expensive car, and moves into a bigger apartment. A year later, she's making more money than ever, yet she's still living paycheck to paycheck. The problem wasn't her income. It was her spending. Every time your income increases, save or invest at least half of the extra money before you spend anything. Pay yourself first. 2. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. People lose jobs. Medical bills appear out of nowhere. Without savings, every emergency becomes a financial disaster. Take James. His car suddenly needs expensive repairs. He doesn't have savings, so he uses a credit card. Now he's paying interest for months on something he could have covered with cash. One unexpected expense becomes long-term debt. Build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. Start small if you have to. Even saving a little each month creates peace of mind. 3. Depending too much on debt. Debt isn't always bad, but relying on credit cards to pay for everyday life is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Interest works against you. Let's say someone buys a $1,000 television with a credit card. They only make the minimum payment every month. Because of interest, they could end up paying hundreds more than the original price. The TV gets older. The debt stays. Use credit as a tool, not as extra income. If you can't pay off the balance in full, think twice before making the purchase. 4. Never investing. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That's simply not true. The biggest advantage in investing isn't having a lot of money. It's having time. Imagine 2 friends. Emma starts investing $200 every month at age 25. Michael waits until he's 35. Even if Michael invests more each month later, Emma could still end up with significantly more money because her investments had 10 extra years to grow. Time is powerful. Compound growth rewards patience. Start investing as early as possible. Don't wait until you feel rich. Start with what you can afford. Consistency matters more than perfection. 5. Living without a budget. Some people avoid budgeting because they think it's restrictive. In reality, a budget gives your money direction. Without one, money disappears without explanation. Think about David. At the end of every month, he wonders where his paycheck went. He wasn't buying luxury items. He was spending small amounts every day. Coffee, food delivery, online shopping, subscriptions he forgot about. Individually, they seemed harmless. Together, they drained his income. Track every dollar for the next 30 days. You can't improve what you don't measure. A simple budget can reveal spending habits you never noticed. 6. Trying to impress other people. One of the most expensive habits is buying things to impress people who aren't paying your bills. Expensive clothes, luxury cars, designer brands. Many people look wealthy on the outside while struggling financially behind closed doors. Picture Alex. He finances a luxury car because he wants to look successful. The monthly payments consume a huge portion of his income. He can't save, he can't invest, he feels trapped. The car becomes a burden instead of a reward. Real wealth is often invisible. It's found in savings, investments, and financial freedom, not appearances. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one question. Am I buying this because I truly need it, or because I want other people to notice? That one question can save you thousands. 7. Never learning about money. Schools teach many important subjects, but many people leave school without learning how money really works. As a result, they repeat the same financial mistakes for years. Imagine two co-workers earning exactly the same salary. One spends time learning about budgeting, investing, and building wealth. The other doesn't. 10 years later, one owns investments and has financial security. The other is still struggling. The difference wasn't income. It was knowledge followed by action. Financial education pays dividends for life. Spend just 20 minutes each day learning about personal finance. Read books, watch educational videos, listen to podcasts. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. Notice something interesting? None of these mistakes require a huge income to fix. They require better habits. Building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart decisions consistently. Small changes today can completely change your financial future. The earlier you start, the greater the results. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to the Wealth Blueprint for practical money advice every week. Now tell us in the comments, which mistake hit hardest for you? Your answer might help someone else realize they're not alone. And before you go, watch our next video, where we break down the daily habits that quietly build wealth over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.